Qualifying first, Mike Suntag. Sponsors, AMS Hobbies, Addictive Motorsports, Factory Tracks, wife, Nikki, all the helpers, Color Concepts. Okay, looks like we have our marshals. Racers have checked. Marshals ready. Racers ready. In less than 5. Go. Let's keep it clean. Mike's leading us around so far. Bay City's right behind him. Bay City's upside down. Mike gave it away, took it back with a hat. Got some trouble in the rhythm section, some trouble going up the hill.
I couldn't see past the helmet.
We'll let this sort out. Wow. It's a little rough. One in the corner. Thank you, Batman. It's a little rough out there. We started with 11. I'm only counting 9. Let's see how it's sorting out. Here they come. Looks like Mike Suntag across. Mike Kirk, Johnny, Bay City, Corey, Nick, Bill, Kendall, Kyle. It's still changing around. Mike's getting a couple seconds on him. Leader's coming on the straightaway. Batman, stay right at the post. Move up. They have a hard time seeing. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, Mike's still leading us around. Last lap, 28 flat. Johnny's right behind him. Here they are in front of the driver's stand. Johnny's right behind him. You can throw a blanket over him. Bay City Steve's right there breathing on him. Johnny goes inside. Mike gets a little squirrely. That happens from time to time. Oh, wow. I think they call racing as rubbing, but hacking hurts. Bay City's waiting for them to tangle. He's right behind them. 3:45 left, 3:45 left. Who'd you learn that maneuver from? They're coming down. Here's Mike and Johnny. Cross the loop. 0.3 of a second. Bay City's 2 seconds back. They're down the stair steps. Mike's still leading us around. Complete order. Mike, Johnny, Bay City. Mike, Corey, Nick, Kendall, Ben, Kyle, Bill, Aiden. And Bill and Aiden are out early. Orders changing around. Mike's got a little breathing room. Bay City and Johnny now. Nope, Johnny took it back. Johnny's back up for second. Bay City tumbles, coming down the stairs. I don't know if that's going to change the overall order. Mike's got a couple of second lead over Johnny now. Here's leader across the line. Mike with a 26.7. Johnny 26.6 in second. 3 seconds back. Johnny's the red truck going up the hill, coming down the stair steps. When that reddish maroon truck comes up on you, that's second place. The leader's coming on the straightaway too. You got 2 of them in front of you. You 2 going through the rumble strip. That's the leader. Thank you both. Johnny's across the loop. Bay City's across the loop in third. Mike, Corey, and Nick round off the top 6. You've got 2 minutes left, racers. 2 minutes left. Make it count. Here comes the leader. He's coming to the drop down. Thought you passed those 2 already. Mike's still leading us. Johnny's catching him. 3.5 seconds back. Bay City's another 1.5 seconds. Bay City's right behind Johnny now. 1:30 left, racers. 1:30 left. It's Mike, Johnny, Bay City, Corey. Corey's down to 4. Mike Kurtz up there. 1:15, racers. 1:15. Mike's across the loop. He's got some breathing room now. Looks like Bay City's got Johnny. Bay City's in second, 5 seconds behind. Johnny's 2 seconds behind him. There's your 1 minute clock. Bay City's in the jump section. Hung up, upside down. Johnny's beating him. .45 seconds, there's your leader down the straightaway. Second and third are in the drop down corner. Coming onto the straightaway. Thank you, racer. Johnny's across in second now. Bay City's in third. 30 seconds left, racers. 30 seconds left. Mike, Corey, Nick, Kendall, Kyle, Ben, Bill. Let's find our leaders. There's Mike down the straight. 15 seconds, racers. 15 seconds. Johnny's in the drop down. Bay City's in the drop down. Johnny made it across. 3, 2. Steve, you got caught at the line. When you cross the line, you're done. Steve got caught. Mike and Johnny are going around. Here comes Mike. When you cross the line, you're done. Mike, you're done. Bay City, Mike, Kurt, Kendall, Kyle, you're all done. Corey's done. Still got some more to finish up? Nick is done. Johnny's done. Ben is done. I think the other two are out early.